Hello, good day. Welcome to Bolarxy Media. At Bolarxy Media, we take a look at platforms, we make research on it, and we give our fair opinion about the platform. Before we start today's video, remember, we are not your financial advisor. Do your own due diligence and take your smart investment decision. That being said, the platform that we'll be looking at today is called Bitcoin Solid Platform. At Bitcoin Solid Platform, at the moment, is a pre-sales and airdrop platform. That is, on this platform, you can buy this solid Bitcoin token at a pre-sales price or claim the airdrop. So before we start our analysis and evaluation of this platform, please remember to subscribe to our channel, give us a thumbs up, and turn on the notification button so that whenever we post update or video on any platform, you get notified, and you can be updated on events. So that being said, let's go back to our platform on review for today. So this is a Bitcoin Solid platform, and as you can see here, the Bitcoin is here on Web3, bringing new function to Bitcoin. The world open data infrastructure, Bitcoin token holder giving the developer a chance to build on Bitcoin blockchain. So as you can see, you can claim the BTCX airdrop. So in order to manage our time on this review, so we just discuss the key information on this site, so that we'll be able to manage our time and at the end of the day, we'll get our facts as well. So as you can see, in 15 days, 18 hours, and 28 minutes, this token will be listed on PancakeSwap Exchange at February 28, 2023. So you are encouraged to invite people to get 50% worth of BNB plus 30% of BTCX on every airdrop and pre-sales that we're able to get before the 28th of. So you can see the minimum you can buy, that is 0.01 of BNB, which is equal to 0.01 BTCS. So the maximum you can buy you can see here, is 5 BNB, which is equal to 75 BTCS. And remember, look at up here, they say 1 BTCS worth $20,000 when they list it on the 28th of February 2023. So that is what they claim that the token will worth on the 28th of this very February. So summarily, two major things that is happening on this website is, number one, you can claim your free BTCS here, 0.15. You can claim it here. The another thing that you can also do from this platform is to buy the pre-sales of this token that will be listed on the 28th of this month. So let's try and claim our free BTCS. So when you click on claim here, so it's giving us alerts, connect alert. Please insert MetaMask or copy URL's link into your trust wallet. That okay. I have a trust wallet. Let me try and copy the link. So the link has been covered now. Copied now. But before I go into my trust wallet to try and see how the free airdrop can be claimed, let's do some other verification of this platform. So let's go to Wiz. So as you can see here, Wiz platform will give you details on any domain, when the domain was registered, when it was last updated, and when it will expire. So and we will put in the domain address of that platform, which is, you can see up here, bitcoinsolid.online. That is the domain name of that platform. So and we come here. So you can see. All right. Look at the middle. You see when the domain was registered. The domain was registered this January 30, 2023. I see this domain was registered about 13 days ago, and it was updated the same day. You can see on the January 30, 2023, and the domain will expire next year, 2024, January 30. So in other words, this domain, according to the information we are looking at, the domain will only last for 1 year. It will be expired in exactly 1 year from the day the domain was registered. So let's scroll up and look at the registrar data here. So you can see the registrant contact information here. The name is not, it's just showing domain admin. Then the organization name, we can see now privacy protected. It's not showing. But look at the address, number 10, corporate drive note, all portal nil rejected. Every other thing is not showing. That is what it means. So you can see the phone number, it's a US phone number. So you can see the only thing that we're able to get here is just the phone number. We don't know whether the address is not detailed enough, just number 10 corporate drive. That is all. So you can see, then you can see where the thing, other information that are available there. But that is not our key review that we want to do here. Then after that, we come to BSC scan. At BSC scan, you can check the validity of any token. Check the functionality of any token. Let me put it that way. For instance, if you type the name of any token here, you will get information here from this platform. You can see when you type in, you can see that it is bringing related project token out. So let's type the name in full now. Bitcoin Solid. You can see now it's telling us search not found. You can see, oops, the search string you enter was Bitcoin Solid. Sorry, this is an invalid search. That is, they can't say anything related to that as at this moment that we are making this review. So let's go back and be sure we type in the right name of this token. You can see a Bitcoin Solid. So I just want to be sure we're typing in the right name, Bitcoin Solid. So let's come back again and check out what we type in. You can see that it's Bitcoin. Okay, something is missing here. Coin. So let's see whether
it will give us any, you can see it's still showing the same thing. There is not Bitcoin solid. It's still showing invalid side string. So that means it's not showing. Let's type in other. It's not showing at all. They don't know anything about this token. Maybe because it's not listed yet. Maybe that is why we are not sure. But it's not showing anything as regards the token here. All right. So remember let's go back to the platform. Remember we copied the airdrop. Okay, let's copy the airdrop link. So we copy it. So then now let's go to our Trust Wallet as he entrusted us earlier. So this is our Trust Wallet. We're told to space it inside our dApp browser direct. Here is our dApp browser. But I would advise you not to do that, because if you do that, it will bypass a particular
warning that the PancakeSwap exchange always give of any token. So what our advice we do is we'll go straight to the exchange first. Let's go to the exchange first. So at the exchange first, you can see our base currency, our base token in PancakeSwap is always BNB. So it's BNB. So what we will do is, remember it's BNB that you can use to buy this token. What you do, so that's our base. So the one that you want to buy will now be, you can see down here where you have the cake, just click the arrow facing down. So it should drop down. You can type in the name here, BTC coin solid. BTC coin solid. You can see that it's not showing any name. You can see there are no result found. So in an event that you cannot find the token that you're looking for, they can now, this is another thing. This is how you can, another option you can do to find it. You cannot find it automatically. That means it's not added to the list yet. They can now click on manage the token there. Then you click on token. Then that URL that you copy, bring it here. Then paste it here. You can see yes. You can see the BTCS is found now. So let's try to import it and see what will happen. What we will see. Click on import. Bam. So look at the warning information that this PancakeSwap platform is giving us. Please, it's very important you follow this with undivided attention, please. Look at the warning information, which says anyone can create a BEP20 token on BNB Smart Chain with any name, including creating fake version of an existing tokens and tokens that claim to represent projects that do not have a token. If you purchase an arbitrary token, you may be unable to sell it back. So, in other words, the fact that this token is listed, the token is not listed, but it can be found on the upcoming token, which you can import, does not authenticate its originality. Does not mean it's something that you can exchange at any time. Hello, please let your attention be here undivided, please. The fact that this token is available for you to import to the list of listed token does not confirm the authenticity of the token. That is what the summary of this warning means. And if you look at the information in a purple circle, that you see that unknown source. That is, the source of this token is unknown. So that's to tell you that is the warning that the PancakeSwap and this section will not be held liable for any loss that you can, any loss or gain you can incur buying this token. That is the warning they are giving you here. Do you understand? So, but let's still go ahead and import it. So for you to import, you can see that the risk is medium. So what we can do here is, before you let's try and import it. Click on I understand, then click on import. You see that the token will be listed now. So you can see that BTCS is on the platform now. It's on the listed token now. So you will now type it BTCX. You can see that it's showing you a token now. You can see a token. It's showing you a token, but there's a question mark on the token. You can see there's a BTTST, which is standard BTC Arch, but this one there's a question mark on it. So you can see. Remember, you've been warned that the fact that the token is listed is not something that guarantees the authenticity of the token. So be very, very, very careful. So let's go back to the platform before we give our honest view as regards this token. Subscribe to this session, give us a thumbs up, and turn on your notification button so that whenever you post a video and update, you get notified. And here is our opinion. Remember what the trouser wallet warning has given us, which is to be careful. Look at this warning that we have seen this earlier. We're going to base our opinion on this warning. This warning is very clear and very straightforward. The fact that this token is available for you to import does not confirm the authenticity of the program, this token. And if bought, you might not be able to sell it. So with this warning and disclaimer alone is enough for you to be careful with this token. So in our conclusion, remember, we are not your financial advisor. Do your own due diligence and take a smart investment decision. So in our conclusion, whatever you know that you cannot afford to lose, that is, whatever you want to commit on this project should be something you can afford to risk, so that whatever that comes out of it, positive or negative, you are okay. That is our fair opinion about this token. Remember, we are not a financial advisor. Do your own diligence and take a research-based financial decision and be smart when making it. So if this video has helped you in taking your smart financial decision, please subscribe to this channel, leave us a question, comment, and turn up the notification button so that whenever we post an update,
you will be notified. Till we come here some other time, we are saying be smart while taking your financial decision. Thank you.